So the next assortment of exercise I got for you guys is mostly for the knee, but this is going into the intermediate stage. So we're kind of leaving remedial work and we're going more in more progressive fashion towards a more functional place that we would use the knee. This means we can get a lot more movement. We're able to get a lot more weight-bearing exercises on to the leg. For this one though, you're going to be using a lot more of a controlled fashion when you're going out and in towards these certain movements, okay? So we're not quite going towards squat levels or deadlift levels just yet, but we're just isolating the knee enough so that it can get stronger as time goes on. So with this exercise that we've got coming up, you can do either on a carpet. With a carpet, I suggest that you use books as sliders, or if you're on a wooden floor, you can use a bed sheet that's rolled up over, and you can also use, what was it I used the other day? I used pillows the other day, so that's something that can help. As long as it allows you to slide and glide along the floor, then that's okay. But yeah, if you've got carpet, then I would recommend using books. The one I've got right now is a sheet, okay? So the first one we're going to be doing today is a knee bend. So with the knee bend, we're going to be coming all the way out and back in again. Depending on how difficult you want to go with this exercise, it means you go further out into a straightened leg before coming back in for that knee bend once again. Okay, so we're lying on our backs. If you want to use the hands for assistance, you can place them on the outside. But if you want to make this a little bit harder, you can take your hands away and place them on the center of your chest, and I'll show you what that looks like. But for now, let's get tucked into the knee bends. So with the sliding knee bend, the idea is that you bring your hips up first to set up. You're going to straighten your legs out nice and slow until you just feel the point where you can feel your legs, and then come right back up again. Okay? Do this with two legs in the meantime, but if you want to make it easier, you place your hands right by your side, drive the hips up, keep the hips nice and straight, bring the legs all the way up. We're coming back again. Bear in mind, not everybody's going to be able to come all the way out, allowing the hips to touch the ground when your heels are as far out as they can go before coming back up again. So work with your strengths that you have just now. So if you can only go out to about maybe 140 degrees, that's fine. You can then bring it back in, repeat that for either 5 to 10 to 12 repetitions. As the weeks go on, you want to gently progress this, okay? If you get to a point where you feel like you can't do any more than 5, it's probably a better idea to come back off the range a little bit more, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that one. That's one of my favorites. It's the sliding knee bend or the sliding knee bend,